Hello my Avnugari voice boy Negi and welcome back to my channel, and I hope everybody is doing fine. And I'm back with another music track. This time is from Manipur, Swai Swai Laowe. The artist is Sushant Bala and singer Jeetaa Sagolsem. So सीधे चलते हैं मचाते हैं. And those who are watching me for the first time from Manipur, you can subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit that notification bell. चलते 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Swai Swai my me. सोचीता हो जी बाम और मिलाओ जी बाम. Swai Swai Laowe. Swai Swai Laowe. Hey. Hey. Swai. They can't lay. Basi lai tre. Hey. Nana. Hey. Nungshi pa. Hey. Paisa na tre. Hey. No subtitles. Oh. She has a lovely voice. So it was very difficult to understand the song because उसमें subtitles नहीं है. Subtitles होते तो मज़ा आता था. But you guys can let me know like the meaning of the song. But it was a catchy song, I believe. तो अच्छा था, मज़ा आया, काफ़ी enjoy किया. And if you like my reaction, you can comment down below and don't forget to like the video as well. तब तक चलते हैं, स्टे सेफ, मचाते रहो, हंसते रहो, पीस आउट।